Hi, I'm Milena, VP of Marketing at LeadDelta, and today I'm going to show you how to view, sort, filter, search, and export your connections. Now, let's get started.
Let's go over the connections page. Once your connections are synced into LeadDelta, this is the overview you will see. By clicking on a specific connection, the sidebar will open, giving you a quick overview of the connection information, allowing you to visit their LinkedIn profile in a single click or add tags and notes directly from the sidebar. Note that this is a default setup for the connections page, but it can be customized by clicking on this button in the top right corner. Once you click here, you can enable which columns you want to add on the connections page or remove some columns from your view. Please keep in mind that these columns will be filled in once the update is finished. And of course, if your connections allow this information to be seen on LinkedIn. Once you finish setting up your view, and once the update is done, you can filter by any of the columns you see on the screen. If you want to search for a specific connection by their name, you can use the search field right here. If you, however, want to search and filter by any other column, you can use filters. Each of the columns has a corresponding filter. Pay special attention to filters, date connected and last messaged. These are date pickers, which means that you can pick a date range or you can pick the exact date. The note filter has an additional option allowing you to search by a specific keyword in your notes. The language filter and the tag filter have and/or logic, so you can easily narrow down the search if you have multiple tags applied. If you're using a certain filter more than once, you can always save that filter and apply it afterward. So once you're done filtering, click on the Save Filter option, give this filter a name, and then you can use this option right here to find the saved filter. Once you apply it, you will get the same connections as you got the previous time. If you want to delete or edit that filter, you can do it by clicking on here. You can also change the sorting of your connections page. The default sort is by date connected, but you can choose different sorting. Another option is to sort by these columns. Just click on those you want to sort by. Once you're done filtering, you can always export your connections. You can include tags and notes in the export, and then export all or only the selected connections. Finally, you can easily jump to a certain page or change the number of connections shown on a page. 50 is the default. Note that some bulk actions only allow you to include 25 connections at a time, so you can set that up here.
Thank you for watching. For more information, check our website at LeadDelta.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support at support@LeadDelta.com. Thank you.